Hello and welcome to RPIIT Academics. This is Milind working with Pharmacy Department of RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Bastada Karnal. In this video, I am going to explain about immune system and some terms related to immunity and immune system. The system which protects and defends our body against invasion of pathogens is known as immune system. No major organ is associated with it, but there are three few that help out, that is spleen, thymus and bone marrow. What is a pathogen? A pathogen is a biological agent that causes disease in the host. It can be a virus, bacteria, fungus and protist. What is a disease? Disease can be defined as any disruption of homeostasis which causes specific symptoms and can cause death if untreated or the immune system is unable to fight it off. Examples of disease are infection by pathogen or it may be a genetic disorder. What is germ therapy? Initially, people used to think that evil spirit or demons cause diseases. Pasteur's investigation led to the theory that many diseases are caused by biological agents like bacteria. This is called the germ theory of disease. Infectious diseases are caused by biological agents which are known as pathogens. Immune system. The function of immune system is to protect and defend the body against pathogens. It is made up of few smaller organs and white blood cells. White blood cells are also known as the soldiers of our body. What is a lymph? Lymph is extracellular fluid that white blood cell can travel through. Spleen is an organ that filters bacteria and broken cells from the lymph. Lymph nodes are also filters. How does immune system works? There are two ways in which the immune system operate. One is non-specific defense and other is specific defense. Non-specific defense is related to tries to keep everything out, such as skin, mucus, cilia, tears, stomach acid, etc. Specific defenses are like fight off infection once the pathogen get inside the body. That is related to WBCs, white blood cells. Immune response. If the pathogen get inside away, there are things your body usually does to try to slow the invader down. Immune response can be shown as in the form of fever. Fever is raising body temperature to help denature the pathogen proteins and expand blood vessels. WBCs can get to the infection site and more quickly. This is called inflammation and can be painful. So that's all about immune system. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics.